Morning all, Pat from Wynnum Engines. Just been doing a job with Brock here, Toyota Landcruiser 1HZ. We've done a fair few of them, and yeah, this one we actually removed, reconditioned, reinstalled. Just about to kick it in the guts and see how it goes. We've done all the machining in house, so we've bore, decked and honed the block. New oversized pistons, fully reconditioned head, and set all the valve clearances, the bucket shims. Recode the conrods, pin board the bushes, ground the crankshaft, recode fuel pump, reco injectors, ready to go. So let's see how she starts. Here's the mullet man, broccoli. Right, mate. Beautiful. What do you reckon, Brock?
Yeah, good.
Can we see your mullet? There you go, guys. You want an engine recondition done right, all in-house, installed by the mullet man, come see us at Wynnum Engines, Thorn Street. What noise should the turbo make, Brock? Signing off.